Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another quick and lazy workout. This one is focusing on the arms. Let's get started. Seated cross position. We're gonna start with some shoulder circles. We're gonna be doing 50 reps of each exercise. We're doing only 3 exercises. So extend your arms to the side and now let's draw small circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant. The next one is prayers. So we're gonna place the arms in front of us, arms together, elbows together, palms together, and from here we're gonna do pulses up and down for 50 reps. Off we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, holy moly. And I'll push back. So extend your arms, palms facing back. And from here we are pushing back for 50 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. And 50. Okay, nicely done. We're gonna repeat one more time. Whew. Okay, shoulder circles, off we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, prayers for 50 and 50. Okay, we're doing 50 more reps. Last 50 reps, we're doing 50 reps of push backs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew, 50. Okay, I think we have time for one more round of these 3 exercises because we want to be effective but quick workout. We're still less than 5 minutes, so let's do one more round. Circles, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 more moves. Prayers and 30, 40, and 50. Okay, push backs for 50, last 50, last 50, I promise, and off we go. Forty, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Okay, nicely done. That was very quick and effective arm workout. 5 minutes lazy workout. You can do this in front of the TV. Just remember the sequence, remember the reps, and you can combine this workout with any other of my lazy workouts. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment below, share this awesome workout with your family and friends, and I'm gonna see you next time.